Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm filming with Frankie to show you one of her new favorite brands. We recently discovered Nulo and they sent us a bunch of things, but I love their story and I love their mission and all the things that they do to make the very best food and treats and all kinds of fun things that we will show you just for dogs and just basically things that they need and healthier options. And that's what you want to look for when you have a dog, right? So you want to give them the best things possible. So we're going to tell you each product that we have and the ones that Frankie likes and why we love them. And Frankie is feeling a little camera shy, so she might be in and out throughout this. But basically, Nulo was started because the owner and founder and creator was just basically finding that all dog food and all the options that were for dogs were full of fillers and proteins that weren't the best for them and just ingredients that they didn't really need. So all of their products are really, really good ingredients and the types of proteins that dogs need. They also have options for cats too, if you are watching this and also have cats. But really, it's just an overall really good brand. And I love that they have so many different options as far as like treats and snacks and things for that. So we're gonna just show you what we like. So the first, the other thing that I love is that they have foods for all types of dogs and all of their specific needs. So from puppy all the way to senior, and they also have grain-free options as well. So this is the puppy food chicken and sweet potato recipe. There's a bunch of different ones that we have. This one is ancient grains, chicken, oats, and turkey, also for puppies. I like that they have that option because our vet recommended not to do grain-free, but do your research and see what's best for you and for your pet. That's just, I think, what you need to do. It's just a personal preference and what you want to do that you feel is best based on what you have learned. So the next thing, they have these treats are really good and I wish we would have discovered them sooner because they're perfect for training. They're tiny and they're made of turkey. This is the turkey recipe one. But these are on another thing about all of their food and treats and things are that they're low calorie and high protein. So really preventative and like for obesity and diabetes and dog issues like that. So I thought that was super cool. But these are the treats. They're super tiny and they're really soft. So perfect for tiny little puppy teeth. Come here, you want a treat? The next treat is raw freeze-dried treats, and I keep all of our treats in just jars like this, so they won't be in the packaging. But this is the dropped one. Get it, get it, get it. This is the freeze-dried treat. So these are kind of cool. They're like, I don't know, kind of squishy. They're just very different, but she loves these. These are probably her favorite. And then the next treat, I'll show you the packaging for those freeze-dried ones too, because there were 2 different ones. Yeah. No, 3. She's gone through these so fast. So there was beef, and lamb. So 2 different. But this is the package. I will put all of their information here so you can check them out too for yourself. But this, I'm really just, the purpose of this video is to introduce you to them and show you all of the cool things that we like. But this one is a protein stick. How cool is that? Chicken flavor. Do you want this right now? She's down here. I'm like, come up here. Come on, Frankie. You want this protein stick? So this also is, and so just to read some ingredients, the first ingredient, chicken, then dried ground chickpeas, calcium, alginate, oh, she wants this one, dried eggs, sunflower oil, coconut glycerin, molasses, salt, salmon oil, mixed tofurals, dried bacillus, I think that's organic apple cider vinegar, and rosemary extract. So awesome ingredients. Here, I'll put this up here. You gotta come up here. You want this? It's good? Okay, come on. Oh. Come up here. Come on. Yeah, we have another protein stick. That one's chicken. Was that the same? Yeah, same. This one is another puppy food. It's this grain-free salmon and peas recipe. This is for a large breed puppy, so Alpine Ranch large breed. This has ancient grains, beef, lamb, and pork. and also has like all the things. This is just a sample of it, but obviously it will tell you everything and like the weight and how much to give them, etc. on each thing. Game bird quarry, puppy and adult, duck, turkey, and guinea fowl recipe. This one looks really cool too. Okay, these are cool. These are broths. And Frankie does have like a sensitive stomach. And so when she does, we just mix up some like broth and some chicken and like green beans or something very simple like that and give it to her. But this is like already done for us. So this one is lamb, mackerel, and kelp in a broth. Lamb broth, mackerel, and kelp. This one is chicken broth and green beans. So this is basically what we give her. So these are so nice to have on hand. So if she's having like one of those days where she maybe like got into something or has diarrhea or just an upset stomach, I just have this on hand to just give her instead of cooking something up. Like I have time to cook up more things. We also have 2 daughters. If you're new to my channel, that's why I say that. But anyways, and the very last thing, these are so funny. We tried to like prank my in-laws and give these to them, and they were like, rotisserie chicken. They thought it was like a drink enhancer for humans, but this is a water enhancer for dogs. Super cool, right? So this one is rotisserie chicken. This one's pork tenderloin. This one is beef brisket, and this one is roasted lamb. So a lot of flavors, but really it's the same thing. You just do a squeeze in their water bowl and it like spices up their water. So cool. I love, again, the different options that they have. And so far, Frankie has loved all of it. We will continue to use them. She loves the treats so much. I love the idea of the raw freeze-dried. I've never seen that anywhere else. Really impressed with their ingredients and everything like that. So you guys should definitely check them out if you are in the market for any kind of new treats or supplements like that. The broths, I thought those were genius. I love the idea of having that on hand. And all of the foods. There's an option for every single dog. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.